Welcome. In this video, I will explain how RAM booster feature works on Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and will also show you where to access it. So let's start with the location of this feature. Open Settings, go to Special Features, and select RAM Booster. Now, what is this feature all about? So generally, this feature manages your phone's active and background applications, prioritizing those in use and relegating inactive apps to the background to maintain smooth performance and responsiveness. And it also lets you expand your virtual RAM, basically expand your RAM memory with virtual RAM. You can use a portion of the internal storage, as many as 8 GB of storage memory, to use it as an additional RAM, which and this swap memory acts like temporary RAM to handle more data. So when physical RAM is maxed out, it improves multitasking and reduces app reloads. So basically, the thing is that the storage memory is much slower than the RAM memory. So when it becomes the virtual RAM, it cannot act as the actual RAM memory. So it's only used to store some processes that are usually stored in the RAM memory that do not require as much, well, let's say, movement as the usual processes that are stored in the RAM memory, and therefore it frees up some of your device's actual RAM memory so that you can multitask more with your device. And once you select the one of the values from here, you're gonna have to reboot your device for the changes to be applied. And so that's basically it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.